Breaking news in the federal case of Luigi Mangione this morning. A judge ruled prosecutors cannot seek the death penalty if Mangione is convicted. Jessica Moore is here now with what happened inside the courtroom.
Well, Cindy, this is obviously a huge win for Mangione and a blow for prosecutors. But the judge also handed the government a win this morning, ruling the evidence seized from Mangione's backpack can be used in court. Judge Margaret Garnett this morning dismissed 2 of the 4 counts in Luigi Mangione's federal indictment, including murder through use of a firearm, which carries a maximum potential sentence of death, and another count known as a firearms offense.
Well, it's not just through use of a firearm. It has to be in the commission of a crime of violence. And so what the prosecutors were trying to argue is that the crime of violence is stalking. And the judge rules in this opinion that stalking is not or is not necessarily a crime of violence and therefore is not a sufficient predicate.
The 27-year-old still faces 2 federal stalking counts. Mangione is accused of gunning down UnitedHeathcare CEO Brian Thompson in December 2024 outside a Midtown hotel, setting off a frantic manhunt across several states. Mangione was arrested 5 days later in Altoona, Pennsylvania. Police officers found a 9mm handgun and a notebook inside his backpack, in which prosecutors say Mangione described his intent to kill a health insurance executive. Defense attorneys argued the contents of the backpack should not be allowed at trial, but Judge Garnett ruled jurors will be allowed to see that evidence. Mangione's defense says authorities have prejudiced the case. How significant a win is the backpack evidence for the prosecution?
I think it's very significant. That's by far their best evidence. That backpack contains the gun. That backpack contains the magazine and the notebook, or manifesto, as some have called it. That is amongst the most significant evidence in the case. I think you could still prosecute the case without the backpack, but that evidence is the best that I've heard of.
Mangione also faces 9 state counts, including second-degree murder and various weapons charges. State prosecutors are asking a judge to start the New York trial on July 1st, which would be before the federal trial begins. Mangione's defense calls the request unrealistic, saying they need the rest of the year to prepare for the federal case. Jury selection in the federal trial is scheduled to begin on September 8th. Cindy.
Jessica, thank you. Well, we're going to have continuing coverage on today's decision. Alice Gaynor is inside the courtroom. You can look for her reporting later today, beginning at 5.